Hello guys, welcome back to Almo Fam. We are back with reviewing another Korean product which is Purito Snail Repair Advanced Serum. Firstly, I love the packaging. It's so minimal and the cap is also pump bottle and not the dropper one, which is super feasible. Another thing is Purito is both vegan and cruelty free. Also, the ingredients used in this serum are glycolic acid, which helps in exfoliation, anti-aging, acne fighting, and stimulates collagen production. This serum also contains 93% snail mucus filtrate, which helps in fading of the scars, helps your skin to be more hydrated, and also helps in reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum also contains hyaluronic acid, which is super beneficial for the skin. Now let's get into how to process of this serum. Firstly, pump 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto your hand and apply it all over your face with your fingertips. Apply it gently on your forehead, cheeks, chin, and then on the rest of your face. Don't forget to use it on your neck also. Every skincare step should be used on your neck as well. So if you notice, the serum has already absorbed into the skin and it's non-greasy. This serum step should be used after the toning and before moisturizing step in your skincare routine. This serum can be used both in AM and PM skincare routine. I've been using it over a month now and it's a 60 ml bottle and I'm quite surprised with the price as well. It's definitely worth the price. Using this skin has made my skin more plumpy, hydrated, supple and whatnot. I've been quite well satisfied. Actually, more than satisfied with this product, and I would definitely recommend using this. So guys, I'm sure you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.